Are you looking to edit text from a screenshot without losing the original look and feel? You're in the right place. We provide a professional screenshot text editing service where accuracy is our top priority. Using Adobe Photoshop, we carefully edit any text from your screenshot while maintaining a 100% perfect match with the original design. As you can see in this video, we've taken a real screenshot and edited the text seamlessly. The font size, font style, letter spacing, and text color are matched with extreme precision, so the edited version looks exactly like the original. Notice the before and after comparison shown side by side. There's no visual difference, no distortion, no mismatch, just clean, accurate, professional editing. Whether you need to change text for presentations, social media, websites, ads, or documentation, our service ensures your screenshot looks natural and untouched. We understand how important accuracy is. That's why we guarantee pixel-perfect results every time. Even small details like alignment and spacing are handled with care. So if you want your screenshot text edited 100% flawlessly without compromising quality, you can confidently get it done from us. Fast delivery, professional quality, and reliable results. That's our promise. Visit our website, tunor.com now, or contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. Thank you for watching.